Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, we're going to look at how to add a footer to an Excel document. We'll show you how to include text, pictures, and page numbers in the header. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. First, to display the header in the sheet, go to the View tab and click on Page Layout. Now let's click anywhere at the top of the document and we will see these three sections. This location allows us to add different elements to the header. To add page numbers to the left side of the header, first, click on the header section. Then, navigate to the Header and Footer tab on the ribbon and select the Page Number option. This code enables Excel to keep track of the page numbers. When we click in the document area, the header in Excel will display the page number of the page we are on. To include a total page count on each page, double-click into the header area once again, type a / between the two numbers, and then select Number of Pages from the menu. Once more, we can observe a piece of code here. Once we click outside the header area, the page number is followed by the total number of pages, separated by a slash, as desired. We can use the same method to insert the current date, file path, file name, or the sheet name into a document. Let's continue and take a closer look at the process of inserting a picture, as there are a few important details to consider. Let's say we want to add a logo to the header section on the right side of the page. Let's click on this section, then click the Header and Footer section, then select Picture to proceed. We can use Excel to view a selection of places to choose from to add a picture. We have the logo saved on our computer drive, so we will choose the first option and locate the folder where the image is stored. We will select the logo by clicking on it and then confirm our choice by pressing the Insert button. When we look at the header, we can spot a code. If we click anywhere on the document area, we can view the image that was recently inserted. Unfortunately, the size of the picture is much too large. It is not an issue as we can easily adjust the format to our requirements. To format your header, click the right section of the header, then select the Header and Footer tab and choose the Format Picture option. A window appears, and this window provides you with all of the necessary tools to edit the inserted picture. In this situation, we will pay attention to the dimensions. We can modify the size of the object by either entering specific measurements for its height and width, or by adjusting the percentage under the Scale section. Now, let's use the Scale option and adjust the height to 5%. If you press the OK button, the image will be adjusted to the desired size. Let's give it a try and see how it goes with writing text as well. It should not be too difficult. To insert the text, Sheet Leveler, click on the header and type it in. That's all you need to do. Once we click anywhere in the spreadsheet, our text will show in the document. You are able to change the font, type, size and color of the text to match the style of the document. We will adjust the font, type and size here. To customize the text, we can start by highlighting it and then go to the Home tab. From there, we can change the font to Arial and the size to 16. Perfect. If the logo or any other elements extend beyond the document area, you can easily move the header border to the left. Let's explore a few more helpful tips that might be of interest. If you'd like to have a unique header on the first page of your document, it can be done quickly and easily. To customize the header on the first page of your document, click into the header, then open the Header and Footer option and select Different First Page. This will enable you to make changes to the header on the first page without affecting the headers on the remaining pages. In addition to the options available, this section also includes a useful setting that enables you to have different headers on odd and even pages. This different odd and even pages setting makes it easy to distinguish between the pages. You have the option to remove any element from the header at any time. To delete an item, click on it and then select the Delete option. To delete the text, Sheet Leveler, simply select it and press the Delete key. That's it. These techniques can also be applied to the bottom of the document for an effective result. Once you have finished making changes to the header, you can go back to the regular view by selecting the Normal View option in the View tab. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.